In this video tutorial, we are going to demonstrate how to use the AV equipment in your classroom. If the equipment is powered on, you are ready to log in. If you need to power on the unit, open the front cabinet and make sure the main amplifier is on, then make sure the computer is on. Once booted up, you are able to log in with your full Malloy email address and password. This room is equipped with a wall-mounted digital monitor that allows you to project your materials to the class. On the podium, you will see the main control panel, which allows you to turn the monitor on and off, select your input, and control the lights. To control the lights, click on the light bulb icon on the right side of the panel. From here, you can control the lighting configuration. You can turn the lights on and off, as well as access a preset configuration. Once selected, you can click on the Home button to return to the AV controls, which will allow you to select the necessary input. For the computer, you will select Built-in Computer. For Blu-ray, you will select Blu-ray Player. A document camera is located in a drawer on the side of the podium. If using the document camera, be sure to select the document camera input. On the control panel, you have your lectern mic volume controls up and down, as well as a mute option. Additionally, you can control the main volume to the room using the up and down arrows on the right-hand side of the panel. If you would like to connect your laptop to the podium, you will need to select Laptop HDMI or Laptop VGA, depending on how you need to connect your device to the input panel, located on the side of the podium. We suggest bringing your preferred connection cable with you. When finished with class, remember to log out of the computer and select System Shutdown to turn off the monitor. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to Technology Learning Services at tls@malloy.edu. Thanks for watching.